Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Shopify header. Your store's header is the very first thing customers see, making it vital for a strong brand impression and easy navigation. It usually features your logo, main menu, and a search function. To begin customizing, simply go to your Shopify admin, navigate to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize for your active theme. This opens the theme editor where you can start making changes. Personalizing your header is straightforward. First, upload your brand logo and adjust its size, position, and padding to fit your design. Next, organize your main navigation menu by adding, removing, or rearranging links to guide customers effectively. You can also add an announcement bar above the header to highlight promotions or important store updates, customizing its text and colors to grab attention. To enhance your header's functionality, consider creating multi-level drop-down menus for better organization of extensive product categories. A sticky header, which stays at the top as users scroll, provides continuous access to navigation and essential elements. Always include a prominent search bar and a clear cart icon to improve usability and allow customers to quickly find items and manage their purchases. Optimizing your header for all devices is crucial. Ensure it is mobile responsive, adapting seamlessly to various screen sizes, from desktops to smartphones. Keep the design simple and clutter-free, focusing on essential elements like your logo and navigation. Finally, always test your header across different devices and browsers to guarantee optimal appearance and functionality, providing a consistent and positive user experience for every customer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.